All right, let's have some fun. We're at 90 kilometers an hour within seconds. In California right now, you will find this. It's called VinFast. It's a showroom. They're opening up at malls across the state, across the country.
I'm flying to Vietnam to test drive the car, and I'm getting access inside its factory.
There it is. That is one battery pack.
To try to understand, can this Vietnamese car company make it in the US?
I choose this car for myself.
I'm also meeting Americans who have already committed to buying one.
When did you learn about VinFast?
The LA Auto Show. I saw their offerings and we were looking for an SUV.
And meeting some of its engineers.
It's a massive challenge, but I think we are doing as we have to do.
But before I go on, you should know this. 5 years ago, this company didn't even exist. In just a few years, it's become one of the best-selling cars here in this country. Now it's opening up a factory in North Carolina, getting praised by President Biden, and the company is planning to go public in the US.
I need to save the image.
So what is VinFast, and can it be the next Tesla? This is the VF8, it's the newest model. Let's go inside and check it out. Has that brand new fresh car smell. This is a really interesting wheel too. It's not a full circle, it kind of flattens out at the bottom. All right, let's have some fun. We're at 90 kilometers an hour within seconds. This car is so crazy, like you naturally just want to drive. Oh my god, I've never accelerated that quickly before in a car. I'm sitting inside a VinFast vehicle, and the first thing I notice is this. This is a screen, it's a tablet. Reminds me very much of a Tesla so far, except Tesla, the ones I've been in are a horizontal screen like this. This one is very much like a vertical screen, reminds me of your phone, your iPhone, your Samsung. And here you go, here's your tablet, you've got your apps, you've got the ability to call someone, you can see how much the car is charged. So my car battery, which the pack is of course under the vehicle, is at 73% right now. Let's go home, you've got music, the car app, so you can see, I guess, different features, different parts of the car. Oh, I think I accidentally just opened the trunk. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, my name is Uptin. Make sure you follow and subscribe for more. I've heard that you can use voice command, kind of like we do with Google or Alexa, so let's try it. Hey, VinFast. Hey, VinFast. Hey, VinFast. Sorry? I don't know what I said, but she thinks that I want... I don't know what I said, but she thinks that I want the air conditioning to crank up. Hey, VinFast, stop. I better get out of this car before I overdo any of the buttons. I've come to this luxury mall here in Ho Chi Minh City where I just found this. This is a VinFast showroom, and what's kind of interesting is upstairs they have Vin Pearl, which is part of their hotel luxury group. They have residential housing around the neighborhood, and then here they're selling the car, the VinFast showroom. They've got 2 cars on display, as well as some electric scooters. One of those electric scooters will cost about $1,700.
So how did this company take on Toyota, Hyundai, and Ford, even though it was only an idea 5 years ago? To answer, you can probably start by looking at this man. He's Vietnam's first billionaire and chairman of Vin Group, a massive conglomerate here in Vietnam, which includes real estate, owning and operating universities, and some of the country's most luxurious hotels. I mean, this company is massive. It touches so many different industries, and it decided to launch a car. Production started in 2018, and by 2020, the cars were on the road. At times, Tesla has had a market cap bigger than most other car companies combined, probably because people see electric vehicles as the future, and Tesla is perceived as a forward-thinking, just cool car company.
So I've just arrived to VinFast factory. It's about 2 hours from Hanoi. I'm really excited to see what's inside. I've been to a Tesla factory, but not any other car factory, especially EV car.
It's here where I meet one of VinFast's chief engineers.
The market is very competitive. You know, there is Teslas, Lucid, there is plenty of very good US cars and European cars as well. So we'll go there with a 10 years warranty, which is very good for the customer. The battery will be proposed as a leasing. You know.
So the factory is absolutely massive. We have to actually take a buggy to get around. And this is all very new, only a couple years old. And to get from one side to another, even by buggy, has taken about 10 minutes. This is what they mean when they say 90% automation. You don't see that many humans.
In fact, you have to look a while just to see a person working, and this factory is fully functional right now. And now I've come to general assembly. This is where the cars come for the little parts, the hood of the trunk, the lights, the things like that. This is absolutely crazy, the magnitude of this factory. To be honest, I've been to the Gigafactory. This is so much bigger than that. This is insane. Because the factory is pretty much brand new, it actually smells like, I don't know, there's very airy. There's a lot of airflow going inside. The lighting is really nice. So this is the general assembly shop. This is where the cars come after they've been preliminary built. But I'm really interested to go see the batteries, because that's ultimately where an EV car is born. So I've just arrived to the battery shop, the battery pack shop. This is really what differentiates this company from another car company, because it's battery powered. For security, you have to do fingerprint to enter the battery pack. Oh, thank you. There it is. These are the actual battery packs that will be used in the car. A lot of this machinery, a lot of the robotics comes from the US and comes from Sweden. It's brought here to Vietnam, where they use the machinery to build the battery packs, and then they're installed in the car here for the Vietnam market. This factory is operating 24 hours a day, which is pretty common for factories. They tell me that this in particular is 80% automation. So again, you don't see a lot of people here in the battery shop, and it's absolutely fascinating how many batteries they're able to produce here. I'm told that they produce 70,000 battery packs per year here, not just in this battery shop, across this factory. So there it is, that is one battery pack, and now imagine them creating 70,000 of those every year. That's considered one pack. It is really fascinating how the process is done, how many battery packs they're able to output in a relatively short amount of time. It's also interesting, these battery packs are not just being used for the vehicles, they also build e-scooters. There's a term often used in China called leapfrogging. It means when a company can bypass traditional stages of development and pass established companies who are just tending to move slower by the nature of their size. Leapfrogging is often done through technological innovation. So while major car companies try to catch up and meet a surge in demand for electric vehicles, it does make me wonder, VinFast is so new and it's a tiny company compared to established players, but is that a weakness or a strength? I come to this VinFast event where I see all these young people. They're pretty much the same age and wearing the same shirt, all of them sitting in their brand new VinFast cars. Originally, I thought they were VinFast employees, but they actually say they're VinFast customers. They've just bought their first VinFast.
This is your car?
Yeah.
Why do you buy VinFast?
As a new model, it's really good and very nice. I need to save the energy, so I choose the electric cars.
When did you buy this car?
Around 1 week.
Do you like it? Nice.
This is my car.
When did you buy it?
Last month.
Oh, do you like it?
Yes, I very like it.
It still smells brand new. It's nice.
Yes.
Why did you buy VinFast?
Because VinFast in Vietnam is very affordable, and this is the very first electronic car in Vietnam, and we really like to experience the new things, new technologies. Yeah.
Guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? Do you think this company could take on Tesla? While you're at it, check out more of my videos from here in Vietnam and around the world. Subscribe to my channel and find me on TikTok and Instagram at Uptin.